Wally's sending out smoke signals. And here we go. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. Oh, no, no, no.
Well, it wasn't parked. Well, we can at least say, hey, it wasn't parked for transportation.
Well, hey, man, look at there. Hey, see, I mean, it's here. Everybody's okay. Hey, hang on a second. Stop. There you go. You got some slack now.
Why didn't we just go forward start?
There we go. And I know this camera mount wasn't doing y'all much good at all. We may wind up having to reshoot this whole video, but at least I got that on film. Or video, let me say. And it came right out that time. All right, guys, I think that might be it for this video. That was a wild moment there. Wally, he always shows out when the camera's in front of him, for sure. So we'll talk to Wally here in just a second. And I know that I didn't bring the proper gear for recording this time. I should have brought my tube clamp to put the GoPro on. It would have been a whole lot more steady, but I'll try to put what I can in this video, and we'll probably try this again one day and get you some more stable footage next time. But for the meantime, that's what you can expect coming out here to Carolina Crawlers.
Okay, guys, so as you can see, the park is very easy. A lot of these hills and obstacles are very underestimated.
He says it's easy after he just rolled this thing over, by the way.
That was the other side.
That was the harder side, yes.
But yes, a lot of these hills are underestimated. You look at it and be like, well, man, I can do that. Until you get on there and put tires on it, it is definitely a different ball game when you're there.
Yeah, and
Even in the videos, you know, it don't look like much, but when you come out here and play on this stuff, it is very challenging.
It's very steep. A lot of it is, yes.
I would never say I have a hardcore off-road park, but I do have a couple good spots.
Yeah, and that's only going to get better. Going to get better with time, for sure.
So OG, I had this Jeep for 19 years. Still putting on a good show. I'm very proud of it. We're going to have to remove the spark plugs, get some oil out of it, and we'll be hitting some stuff right here shortly.
All right.